what's going on everybody? How are we doing? Today we're going to check out a brand new robot mop that isn't even on the market yet, but will be pretty soon. It's made by the company 360. They've made plenty of robot vacuums in the past, and they're actually pretty good robot vacuums overall. So I'm pretty excited to see exactly what they're going to bring with their robot mop. Now this is exclusively a mop. There's no type of vacuuming at all in it, and it is self-washing, so it will go back and clean the pads and then come back out and finish the job. So that's basically the latest and greatest features of robot mops, and I think it's a must once you use one. So this will just be a quick info and unboxing video, show you what's on the box, and here's everything in the box. Of course, you get the power cord, get the manuals, a couple of stickers if you want to put that on your robot, a scrub brush to help you clean the tanks. And here, of course, you have your clean tank along with your dirty water tank. Button to tell it to basically go start mopping and then send it back home or self-cleaning. Little display here that just kind of lights up, kind of cool. And then the robot itself. So here's the robot, Botslab. This is LiDAR based, so navigation is going to be really good and very, very accurate. So I think that's a must on any robot vacuum or mop nowadays. It does have sensors in the bottom to detect carpet, so it will not go up on carpet, so you don't have to worry about that. And here's the most unique feature of it, that no other robot mops that I've seen have this many scrubbing pads. Here we go. We got 4 scrubbing pads at the back, so you're gonna scrub a lot more surface on one pass. But then when it goes back over, it'll kind of go only halfway. So really you're scrubbing your pathway twice with this, rather most other mops will just go over it once, go over to the next spot, and then go and kind of, miss a section. This one will kind of go over the same area twice because it's so wide. These are just magnetic. These all pop off and are washable. Once again, it is self-washing, so it will fill that with water. These pads will spin on these nubs and it will clean the pads and all the dirty water will fall below, and then it'll suck it into the dirty water tank. So pretty cool. Here's the charging contacts, a couple of the wheels to help guide it in. And yeah, I think it's gonna be quite the good robot mop. So if I didn't mention it before, so this is Botslab made by 360 model M20. Alright guys, I just wanted to try a really quick unboxing and info video for you guys. Let me know in the comments if you like them really quick and to the point like this one, or if you like them longer where there's more information and it kind of shows more about the robot up close, or do you actually like it where I start with a box and actually show you everything coming out of the box. So if you enjoy this at all, please like it for me. Consider subscribing. There will be a full review on this. Hopefully it's a really good robot mop. I think it's going to be with the LiDAR and the 4 mopping pads. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.